What's the meaning of agglutinative? Agglutinative. 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 Agglutinative is a linguistic term that refers to a type of language that uses affixes, which are added to the base word to convey meaning. These affixes can include prefixes, suffixes, infixes, and circumfixes. In agglutinative languages, each affix has a specific meaning, and they can be combined to create complex words. This results in a highly inflected language that allows for a great deal of flexibility in word formation. Examples of agglutinative languages include Turkish, Swahili, and Japanese.